What if I told you pain doesn't come from your body? You take a pill, and the pain fades. But have you ever asked, where did the pain actually go? Is it healing your body, blocking something, or is it hacking your brain? This is MindHacked, and today, we're explaining the unseen. Let's begin. Most people think pain is just damage. You get hurt, it hurts. Simple, right? But here's the truth. Pain is not damage. Pain is a signal. It's your brain saying, yo, we've got a problem down here. That's why some small injuries hurt like hell, while others barely register. Pain doesn't reflect damage, it reflects attention. And painkillers? They don't heal you. They just intercept the signal before it reaches your brain. Let's talk about two painkillers you've probably heard of: ibuprofen and morphine. Ibuprofen works by blocking enzymes, specifically COX-1 and COX-2. These enzymes make prostaglandins. Those are the chemicals that scream, we're in pain down here. Less prostaglandins means less screaming, means less pain. Morphine, though? Morphine is different.
I'm built different.
It doesn't deal with the injury at all. It goes straight to the brain and says, hey, don't tell the body anything. It binds to your opioid receptors, neurons responsible for sensing pain, and shuts them off. It doesn't remove the pain. It removes your awareness of it. But here's something wild. Your body has its own morphine. It's called endorphins. Ever heard of a runner's high? That euphoric feeling after intense exercise? That's your brain releasing natural opioids, silencing pain, rewarding endurance. So pain management isn't always about fixing the body. Sometimes it's about tricking the brain. Now here's where things get really futuristic. What if we didn't need pills at all? Scientists are already experimenting with brain chips, electrical nerve blockers, and digital pain editing. Imagine deleting pain, like hitting mute on a TV. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the catch. Pain exists for a reason. If we silence it completely, we might miss real danger. You could be bleeding out and feel nothing. Pain isn't the enemy. It's your body's alarm system. So the next time you take a painkiller, remember this. It's not healing you. It's hacking your brain. Pain is a messenger. Now, you know how to read the message. If this made your brain tingle, hit that subscribe button. Because next time, we're explaining how Wi-Fi works. Through walls. Without magic. Spoiler alert. It's even weirder than magic. This is MindHacked.